Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be on a two-day visit to Tamil Nadu and Lakshadweep beginning tomorrow. ISRO has successfully launched X-ray polarimeter satellite aboard Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle PSLV C-58. People across the world bid adieu to 2023 and welcome New Year with lavish celebrations and joy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has greeted people on New Year 2024. In a social media post, Mr. Modi said, wishing everyone a splendid 2024. Talented Indian teenager Anahat Singh produced a dominant performance, bagging the girls under-19 title at the 2023 Scottish Junior Open Squash held in Edinburgh.